Hey you guys, it's your girl Lavina back with a little mini cash stuffing out of my beautiful envelope that came full of little mini savings challenges, y'all. And I'm so grateful to have beautiful, loving, supportive, generous, selfless subscribers, okay? You know, I do it for y'all. I do it for myself too. But after me and my family, it's for show, y'all. I'm doing it for y'all because y'all are the realest, the best. And that's just on everything. That's just on period. You know, y'all my sisters, y'all my brothers. And I appreciate y'all. Know that, okay? So let's get into this video. We're going to go to, let's see which one we're going to do first. So first we have the pretty butterfly. I am so sorry, y'all. Everybody's home and I'm trying to make my videos. And it is what it is. What is it? He not answering you?
No. I've been knocking for about a minute now.
Okay, y'all. Let me get back into this video. I'm sorry. Hold on. Be right back, y'all. Ooh, child. Sorry I'm back. I am so back, y'all. Okay, let's get back into this video. Kids, man. This boy, Jaden, he at this era where he just want to lock his door all day. Somebody got to bang on his door. Like, what you doing in there? Unlock this door. All day, every day, this boy in there with the door locked. Okay, so today we will be stuffing in our beautiful our beautiful butterfly savings challenge. We will be stuffing $4. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. And we're going to be coloring in the 4. Yes. Okay, let's put this out. This will be a little short video. My little mini videos. Okay. How did that? Oh, okay. I see. All right. Then next we will be doing the swim into savings, and we will be stuffing $1 today. So let me give that $1, and then we'll see what we have. Color in that $1. How's y'all day going? What y'all up to? What you up to, beautiful people? Me, just trying to stay focused. That is all. Trying to stay focused and stay on my plan and stay on my goal. So let's see how much we have in here now. So now we have $5, $6, $7. We got some shmoney. We got some shmoney. Okay? And that's what's up. It's been a long time coming. You know, I don't want to get too cocky, honey. I promise. I want to just stay on track. That's all I want, Lord. Just keep me focused. Just keep me on track. Guide my steps, honey. Okay, so then we have our mini challenge, which is worth $60, and this is from the Golden Girl Budgets. So we're going to give this another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then we're going to do $5. Make sure you clean that room right now. Okay, so we're going to color that in. We're going to color this in. Okay. I think I'm going to do the border red. just to do the border red. Spice it up a little bit, y'all. What savings challenges are y'all working on? And how is your journey coming? Let your girl know. Let me know how y'all doing, because I want to know. So we counted that. So now we have, let's count what we have saved. $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, y'all. And I already know what I'm going to do, so I can't tell y'all that. Well, maybe I should wait. I'm not going to tell y'all. I'll just wait until I actually complete it. Like I said, I'm trying something different where I'm not going to just be telling all my plans, honey. Because when they don't work out the way I plan, for me personally, I feel bad, y'all. I feel like, you know, bad. And I just don't want to put all that stress on myself. You know, so I'm just going to take it one step at a time, one day at a time, and just do what I can, okay, y'all? So thank you guys so much. Mwah! Mwah! Sending y'all love, okay? See you guys on the next video. Bye.